Imagine having $10 million to spend on a single luxury asset. At that level of wealth, the decision is no longer about affordability. It becomes a question of identity, lifestyle, status, and long-term value. Would you choose a breathtaking mansion overlooking the ocean, complete with a private cinema, infinity pool, wine cellar, indoor spa, and acres of perfectly landscaped gardens? Or would you invest in a spectacular super yacht capable of carrying you across the Mediterranean, Caribbean, or South Pacific, while offering five-star luxury wherever you decide to anchor? Both represent the pinnacle of success, yet they offer completely different experiences.
Subscribe Luxon for luxury travel guides and dream destinations.
A $10 million mansion is more than just a house. It becomes your personal kingdom, a place where family memories are created, business relationships are strengthened, and every detail reflects your personality. Depending on the location, that budget could secure a waterfront estate in Florida, a luxury villa in the south of France, a modern architectural masterpiece in Los Angeles, or an exclusive countryside retreat surrounded by privacy and nature. These homes often feature smart automation systems, home gyms, guest houses, tennis courts, gourmet kitchens, and security systems that rival those of luxury hotels. Unlike many luxury purchases, prime real estate also carries the potential for appreciation. Historically, prestigious neighborhoods have continued to increase in value over long periods, especially in cities with limited land and strong international demand. Even during economic slowdowns, trophy properties in desirable locations tend to recover faster because wealthy buyers continue seeking rare assets. A mansion can also generate rental income if leased for exclusive events, luxury vacations, or film productions. Maintenance certainly isn't cheap. Property taxes, landscaping, staff salaries, insurance, utilities, and renovations can easily reach hundreds of thousands of dollars every year. However, these expenses often protect and even increase the property's value. Beyond the numbers lies something far more meaningful: permanence. A mansion becomes part of a family's legacy, capable of being passed down through generations. It represents stability in a world where luxury trends constantly change. Every room tells a story, every renovation reflects evolving tastes, and every gathering strengthens relationships that cannot be measured financially. Yet, the emotional appeal goes even deeper. Waking up every morning in a home designed exactly to your preferences creates a sense of belonging that few luxury purchases can match. Children grow up there, holidays become traditions, and every corner holds memories that increase in value long after the financial investment has been made. While the rich often diversify into businesses, stocks, and alternative investments, many still view prime real estate as the foundation of their wealth, because land in exceptional locations remains scarce. Scarcity creates demand, and demand has historically rewarded patient owners. That is why some of the world's wealthiest families continue buying luxury estates decade after decade. But luxury isn't only about standing still. For some, true freedom means waking up in Monaco one week, Sardinia the next, and the Greek islands shortly afterward. That's where the super yacht enters the conversation, transforming luxury from a destination into a constantly changing adventure. A $10 million super yacht represents one of the most exclusive lifestyles on Earth. Unlike a mansion tied to one address, a yacht gives you the ability to take your luxury anywhere the ocean can reach. Imagine enjoying breakfast while anchored beside untouched tropical islands, hosting elegant sunset dinners overlooking the Amalfi Coast, diving into crystal-clear Caribbean waters directly from your private swim platform, or celebrating New Year's Eve with the skyline of Dubai illuminating the horizon. Every day offers a completely different backdrop without ever unpacking your suitcase. Modern yachts in this price range typically stretch between 80 and 120 feet, featuring luxurious cabins, expansive lounges, jacuzzis, sophisticated entertainment systems, gourmet kitchens, professional crews, and advanced navigation technology. Some even include gyms, beach clubs, water toys, jet skis, diving equipment, and helicopter landing capabilities, depending on size and customization. From a lifestyle perspective, few possessions can compete with the freedom a yacht provides. Privacy becomes nearly unmatched because your nearest neighbors may be miles away across open water. Celebrities, entrepreneurs, athletes, and royalty often choose yachts precisely because they combine exclusivity with mobility. Business meetings become unforgettable experiences, while family vacations feel like scenes from a Hollywood film. However, this extraordinary lifestyle comes with equally extraordinary costs. Unlike real estate, yachts generally depreciate from the moment they leave the shipyard. Annual operating expenses commonly range between 5 and 10% of the yacht's purchase price. That means a $10 million yacht could require $500,000 to $1 million every year simply to remain operational. Fuel, dockage, insurance, crew salaries, maintenance, repairs, engine servicing, repainting, cleaning, and regulatory compliance all contribute to these enormous costs. Even when unused, the expenses never stop. Technology evolves quickly, meaning older yachts require expensive upgrades to remain competitive in the resale market. Nevertheless, many owners accept these financial realities because they view the yacht not as an investment, but as the ultimate luxury experience. The value comes from unforgettable moments rather than financial returns. So, which is truly the better investment? If your definition of investment focuses on wealth preservation, appreciation potential, and creating a lasting family asset, the mansion clearly holds the advantage. It offers stability, potential income, historical appreciation in prime markets, and an opportunity to build generational wealth. But if your investment is measured by unforgettable experiences, global exploration, unmatched freedom, and the ability to transform every journey into a luxury adventure, the Superyacht delivers something money rarely buys: complete lifestyle flexibility. Ultimately, the wealthiest individuals rarely choose only one. They understand that different assets serve different purposes. Real estate anchors wealth, while luxury experiences enrich life. A mansion provides roots, a superyacht provides wings. One offers permanence, the other endless horizons. The better choice depends not on the size of your bank account, but on the life you dream of living. After all, luxury is never defined solely by what you own. It is defined by how those possessions shape your experiences, your memories, and your legacy. So, which would you choose, a $10 million mansion or a $10 million superyacht? Let us know your pick in the comments below. If you enjoyed this luxury comparison, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.